Good evening, viewers. Today problem is we have to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Here x square quotient is a into b minus c. X quotient is b into c minus a, and constant term is c into a minus b. So to find out the roots of the quadratic equation, we have the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Here a is a into b minus c, x square quotient. B is b into c minus a, x quotient. And c is c into a minus b. So substituting the values of a, b, c, we have minus b into c minus a plus or minus root over b square, means b square into c minus a whole square minus 4a into b minus c into c minus c into a minus b minus 4ac. A means a into b minus c means c into a minus b whole by 2a. A means 2a into b minus c. Here square root inside what you have, we solve that first. B square into c minus a whole square minus 4ac into b minus c into a minus b. Here this is b square into c minus a whole square, c square plus a square minus 2ac, and minus 4ac into, if you multiply b minus c into a minus b, we get ab minus b square minus ac plus bc. So this is b square c square plus b square a square minus 2ab square c minus 4a square bc plus 4ab square c plus 4a square c square minus 4ab c square whole by c. So here b square c square plus b square a square plus 4a square c square. Here minus 2ab square c plus 4ab square c. It becomes 2ab square c. And here minus 4a square bc minus 4a bc square. See here, this is in the form of minus ab minus bc plus 2ac whole square. See here, if you check a square b square plus b square c square 4a square c square plus 2ab. So we get 2ab square c plus 2ab square c, 2bc minus 4abc square, and 2ca minus 2a square bc. See, so if you multiply here, minus 2ab means plus 2ab square c, 2bc minus 4abc square, 2ca means minus a square minus 4a square bc. So here we solved this, so we get finally minus b into c minus a plus or minus square root square get cancelled. Here you will get minus ab minus bc plus 2 ac by 2 into 2a into b minus c. See here, minus bc plus ab. We take plus or minus. First we take plus. Plus means you will get minus ab minus bc and plus 2ac whole by, we have 2a into b minus c. Here plus ab minus ab get cancelled. You have 2ac minus 2bc by 2a into b minus c. Here we can take common 2c. So if you take 2c common, we get ua minus b by 2a into b minus c. See, 2 get cancelled. So this is one of the root. And if you take minus here, minus b into c minus a minus of minus ab minus bc plus 2ac whole by 2a into b minus c. Here minus bc plus ab plus ab plus bc minus 2ac by 2a into b minus c. Here plus bc minus bc get cancelled. Here we have 2ab minus 2ac by 2a into b minus c. So this is nothing but 2a into b minus c by 2a into b minus c. So 1 is the another root. 1 and c into a minus b by a into b minus c and 1 are the two roots for the given equation. If you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you.